how to put on wireless hearing aids correctly on your ears and how you can set it up. For this, you simply have to check whatever I'm saying in this video. You have to verify that you're doing it the right way. For this, we will take reference to the Google Chrome and we will let you know that what is the perfect and the correct thing or the correct angle how you can set it up. For this, you can see that hearing aid in correct position, the butt should be behind your ears and the main part should be inside your ears from the knuckle, that is the top right corner of your ear. So you can see that there is a different type of hearing aids you can see for everyone. And if you want to know the real thing that how you can set it up, so that is mentioned in every specific hearing aids manual or guide. This is how you can do this. Thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.